Wow.
Wow. You guys have never seen her on my channel before. A little like sheet mask treatment. And hello everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. I hope you guys are doing well, you're thriving, you're succeeding, you're manifesting all your goals. I totally need to catch up with you guys because it has been a minute. So basically, my sister came to visit, as you guys saw in the last vlog. Most importantly, finished fourth wing, you guys. I don't know if you guys care. Comment down below if you guys like reading. If so, I can, I can give you guys my thoughts, my feedback on this book. I'm obviously not gonna give you guys any spoilers, but it was such a good book. I literally cried at the end. It was everything and more. It was like the perfect fantasy book to slip back into reading. So I've been like really in my reading instead of scrolling before bed era, which I need to do like a full night routine because you guys would literally cackle at how absurd. The apartment transformation video is coming. It's not fully finished yet, so I'm like, do I just share it how it looks now, or do I fully finish it and then post it? I don't know the rules and mechanics on YouTube. I just got these cute shelves built and I want to show you guys a little spoiler. So the TV was mounted. It looks so good. It looks like a little piece of art. So I got these shelves from Amazon. They're like a dupe of some really expensive shelves, so I'll link them below for you guys if you're interested. But I really love them. They're actually quite large. I did not expect them to be this large, which means I'm gonna have to fill them with a lot of things. I just kind of started putting random things in my apartment on the shelves just to see. So I don't really know what to put on my shelves right now. I might like get like a bunch of books and get like a book stand. I don't know. Comment down below if you have any suggestions. I had also like these like ivy vines that I put on the sides. I don't know if I want to put something on top of the TV. I was like considering putting more art on this side of the wall, but actually I think I might just leave it plain. So the other day I went to Orange County with Remi again and we got more Korean skincare and just hung out. I'm gonna insert the vlog clips here. Hello, I can finally give you your gifts after your month-long vacation.
I haven't thanked you.
It's literally your birth year.
First of all, thank you. I'm so sorry.
Well, you haven't even opened anything yet.
I just thank you in general. You did not have to get me anything.
Girl, you gave me life.
Girl. Yeah! And a holder. This is my, oh my god, Daisy's so excited. This is my favorite crystal. And I texted Ollie, I was really upset because I truly attribute all of my success to the pyrite that I have from like how many years ago? Like
literally years ago.
I feel like I got it and it helps with what? Manifestation, action, confidence, creativity, vitality, can-do attitude. I got one with Ollie like actually like 7 years ago and I'm not kidding. My life changed.
Their career shifted.
I got it, truly. I feel like I just became a much more confident person since I got it. And then recently, someone was here working at the house and they broke it. It shattered. So I was telling him I'm really sad and I wanted to get a new one. And now I have a little holder for her. Thank you, babe. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm gonna put this one in the office because I feel like that'll be a good spot.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. It's beautiful.
It's like a globe.
It looks like, when you put the eggs in the little thing and people like put the spoon. Thank you so much.
I hope you don't have this.
I don't own anything. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it.
Where today?
I'm not kidding. I was gonna put a bow in my hair and I was like, I need to stop with those.
Oh, cute though.
She's so cute. Thanks,
I'm a bow
babe.
apologist. I don't care.
I love her. Oh my god. I've been wanting something from this brand. Ooh.
I know you love your bags.
I love Flower Bombshell. Oh my god! I love the ones that have stuff on the inside.
Yeah.
Is this from their spring? Do they?
I think it has roses in it.
Ah! Thank you! You know. I'm gonna use this tomorrow night when I finally have a minute to take a bath. Yay! Thank you, my love.
There's more.
There's more?
There's more.
What?
One more thing.
In there?
Yes.
What?
One more thing.
This is too much.
Wow, 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 wow.
You always give me the cutest little black person, I swear.
To
The
match
one
your
Marc
headband.
Jacobs, the heavy one that you got me. Oh my god, it's a big bow. I love her. Thank you, my baby.
My
baby. You're so sweet. Thank you. That's too much. Seriously. So
It's
much.
never too much.
It's too much.
Oh my god.
Welcome to Gangnam Station in Buena Park. It's so good. They have, I think, the best kalbi I've had at an all-you-can-eat place. It's so good. No, not ever. Cause like, I need to take you to Park's Barbecue.
Look at this delicious
It's so good, bro.
Wagyu. And look at this kind stranger who joined us today.
I really appreciate y'all inviting me.
I said all I want to go get skincare. He said I want to come.
No.
You good?
No. Exposed. But I wanted to give you another haul of Korean skincare because I'm low-key obsessed, y'all. So the first thing I got is this Manayo Pure Cleansing Oil. I looked at this in the store and I just really like the smell, and it said this is like the #1 oil cleanser. I just fall for the marketing, you guys. I, of course, restocked my Goodall Vitamin C Serum. I love this serum and I love the Caudalie Dark Spot Serum. They both are just so good. This one obviously has a lot of vitamin C. I also got a restock of the Mixun Bean Essence. I actually really liked my first bottle. I noticed like a big difference in the softness of my skin overall. I need to do like a full skincare routine for you guys so you guys can see like all the crazy stuff I use. But I also got from the same brand, Goodall Vitamin C Toner Pads. So I've been using these every day. They're so good. So what I love about these toner pads is they come with these little tweezers that fit perfectly right here. So you can use these as like a little like sheet mask treatment. Of course, love me a sheet mask. Thank you, Madison Beer, for putting me on to them. So I have to go to Target. I want to get some like shelf filler items and just like random things I need for the house. And then I'm gonna see Alicia later today, and we're going to the Melrose Trading Post, and hopefully I can find like maybe a knickknack or two from there, or like some jewelry. I've been like really in my jewelry era. I'm starting to also look for my Coachella outfits. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear this year. I feel like I never have any idea what I'm gonna wear, but I also have not been on my workout fitness grind, so I definitely do not feel my best self. But you know, it's all about the confidence. It doesn't really matter what you look like as long as you give people the fantasy, you know? It honestly feels like summer in LA again, which is so nice and such a nice break from all of the cold that's been going on lately. I'm pushing my cart in case I get anything heavy. I found the home decor section. Slim pickings, but things are cute here. I also put this in my cart. It's too big, it's taking up like all the space. Okay, I found like the random vases and stuff, and I'm like, which one is cute? Oh, only $20, sounds pretty good. Okay, well, we're going with this. I also really like these tapered candles. These demented candles are still here. I'm sorry, if I saw someone with this in their house, I would run. What is this? This seems like something I need. Okay, I ventured into the book section and everything is 20% off, so I might just go feral and buy everything. Have I finished the first book? No, but do I need the whole series immediately for 20% off? I think so. These are the books I'm talking about. 20% off. Pretty good deal. I think I might just get all of them now. This is absolutely normal for someone. Well, the crying is my bank account. I want to show you guys what I got, even though you saw some of it, but I got this vase. We love her. Very Olive Atelier vibes. I think it'll look good on the shelf. You know, very Aquarius, pouring the water. The next thing I got was another vase, which I don't know if that's problematic, having multiple vases on a shelf. But look at this beautiful blue vase. I think it looks so good. It's like this like beautiful dark blue color. Also, usually the Target people will wrap like these glass things, and they definitely did not wrap it for me. They were like, good luck. This whole series, and I have not even finished the first one, but I just know I will be reading all of them. All of them were 20% off, so I think it was a worthy investment. Let me know if you guys have read the series. I've heard only good things, so I'm really excited. The next thing I got, little leather boxes. I think I want to put this by my entryway. I don't know what I want to put in them. It might just be empty and just use as decor. It makes me happy. That's all that matters. The next thing I got was this book called A Little Life. I've heard amazing things on this. It's been on my Goodreads forever. Also, all the books I got are thickies. Can you ever have too many books? I don't think so. Cashmere vanilla bath bombs. When I tell you guys, I can smell them. I love an aroma that aromas, you know? One that just pierces your senses. And I fear these bath bombs are gonna be it. I love Lush bath bombs, as you guys know, but I love that these come with like 6 of them. I also got face wash from Naturium. I've used their body washes before, really love, so I'm excited to try their face wash. I'm always switching up my face wash. The next thing I got is some taper candles. I got this beautiful onyx candle holder from Olive Atelier. We're gonna put the candle in here and see how it looks. She's perfect. Happy birthday to me. That is pretty much everything. Also, like, I'm really loving vlogging for you guys again. I feel like I'm back in my vlog era. I'm back on my creation game. So I'm really excited. There's gonna be a lot of new changes coming soon to my channel. Also, you guys can comment down below if you have any video ideas or suggestions or things you wanna see more from me. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, now is an amazing time to subscribe to me. There's literally not a day that goes by that I am not filled with gratitude for each and every one of you guys. You guys are the only reason that I'm still posting, and this community we built is so special, and I just love you guys so much. And thank you, as always, for supporting me and, you know, helping me live out my dreams. We just entered the trading post. It looks completely different. The vibes are different.
I love it.
You know, Alisha are getting matching bracelets because, you know.
You're so right. I just want to be you.
Next, Cartier.
No, who needs Cartier?
It hurts a little.
Liar.
I love that we got the same one.
I know.
Remi's gonna be like, really?
She should have come.
We got the matching bracelets.
I've always wanted one, and I'm glad.
Did you not ever have one?
I've never had one. I mean, in middle school, I like tied yarn to my anklet. And
Yeah,
forever.
pretty much the same thing, honestly. Alisha in her element.
I needed B-roll.
Thank God. I like the mango slices way better. Like, this is nothing. Ah. Only I had a strong woman here to open this for me.
A woman?
Oh.
It's okay.
I'm just so gentle.
So should I have my first bite with the puree?
Dig in. Get some mango.
We stopped in
I wish you had the mango.
What? And I just had plain before, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Because
okay.
their slices are insane.
Ready?
Wait, hold on. Let me get some mango. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers. Mmm.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, it tastes like jelly.
Yeah.
Like Jell-O.
It's so good. You guys, my New York girlies are here. How are you guys? I love how the music cuts for you guys. Thank God. This is Yumi. This is Cindy, my girlies, and they also work for Living Proof, one of my favorite brands. So us marketing girlies are just having a key. Headquarters, K Barbecue. Look at this. the sizzle, y'all. So I am heading over to the Living Proof event. I'm going to go pick up Eden, who is going to be my +1. You guys are going to meet her very soon. She is so sweet. You guys are going to love her. She is so wild. I'm really excited to party with Paris Hilton tonight. Eden the doll. You guys have never seen her on my channel before, but we've been friends for so long.
Like 8 years.
We've been friends for 8 years and she hasn't been on my channel ever, which is really bizarre. But I promise we're friends. They say like the friends you have the least amount of pictures with are like the true friends.
Because we be doing the most crazy things that, like, we just forget to take pictures of.
Show them your nails.
Here are my nails. I want to do something natural. I don't want to do too much for the event. So these are it. And yeah, we're on our way to meet Paris Hilton.